Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be decluttering the cupboards. So for me, I have this cabinet that has a bunch of Tupperware in it. I'm sure you probably have something similar. So let's set our timers and let's go ahead and declutter out that cabinet. So does your cabinet look just like this? Well, let's go ahead and start taking some of this out and let's put it on the island. I had all this inside of that one cabinet. Here's my tip on getting all this sorted. First, we need to make sure we have enough space to put it all, because if we can see it, we can start to organize it. I will be making use of my countertop back here because I need to get some of the big stuff away. I'm going to be taking some of the bigger things and just putting them off to the side. Alright, so I think I have some of the big things out of the way. Now, here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to separate everything off here. I'm just going to kind of push it off to the side, the bowls and the bottoms, because I want to put all of my lids in one place. Now that we are just about done, I think I've pretty much separated all the bottoms from the tops. Now some of the stuff everything is still pretty much on the island. I bought these lunch packs that they basically create little bento boxes. They look just like this, and some of them I already have completed. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to try to complete these, and as I'm able to complete them, I'm going to put them off to the side. These are really handy. They were by Rubbermaid. It was really hard for me. I think I bought like one, and then I had a hard time finding them. I'm going to try to find the link for you, and I'm going to put it down in the comments. They're wonderful. They have a little ice pack in them. Beautiful. Everything is compartmentalized, and it keeps your lunch cold. So definitely check them out. I do have some ones here that I'm not exactly sure where they go because I don't have the missing piece for them. That's why it's kind of handy to go and put everything where you have the lids and the bottoms. That way you can see what you have and what you don't. I know this goes on here. I have these. Since these are missing, I'm going to go ahead and just put them up here. This is a bottom that goes to a top. All that these are really missing is a bottom piece. This is another one that goes together. And I believe this actually goes on the inside, but I don't know where the bottom piece is. So at the moment, so now we have a bunch of bottoms and a bunch of tops. So if you put them all together, then you can start to look for the bottoms that go with these. So this is like a medium round bowl. I'm going to see if I have any medium round bowls here. I know that these are all of my Tupperware. I don't have any more anywhere else. So if I can't find it here, I don't have it. Here's one. It's done. Let's put it back there. I have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. I have enough lids. So now I'm just going to screw the lid on. I'm going to put it in my completed. Now I have one here that does not have a lid. That I'm going to put it off to the side. I'm going to grab the next section of bottoms that need tops. So these were another like meal prep that I liked. I'm going to count and see how many of these I have. Let me just make sure I have all of them here. It looks like 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. I have these tops that I need to make sure that I have 9. I have exactly 9. Instead of putting each one and putting a lid on each one, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a lid on one of them. So now I can put these over there in my completed pile. Alright, what else do I have? So I have these great big lids, but I know I also put some big ones back here. So I only have 2, but I have 4 lids. I don't need 4 lids. somewhere those went missing, and I know I have all of my Tupperware right here. I'm going to throw these away. I don't have bottoms. I don't need to keep them. I know all my stuff is here. Some of these. I have a small square, and I have these small squares it goes to. So with these, I'm not going to throw away bottoms because you can always use bottoms, but I do have a lid on one. So now I have these smaller ones. Let's see if these fit on here. They do. But I have a feeling that these will also fit these. They will. So I have 2 here. I have 1 here. So honestly, again, I'm throwing things now. Again, I really don't need too many of these. Oh, here's another one. So I am going to be putting this on top of these because I know that they fit this. And I can actually put all of these in one. These are bowls, just random bowls that are put in the wrong spot. So I'm going to put them inside the cabinet. Well, here's one of the things I was looking for. I'm missing one of these and I'm not sure where it is, but it's still useful. So I'm going to consider it pleated. That's right. I believe that this one went into this one. I think it did. This was actually a salad kit, and I really enjoyed it because that way I could put one of these with my salad dressing and it was just the perfect amount. Now I don't have lids for these. These are more meal prepping trays, but I'm not going to get rid of them because I may use them. So for whatever reason, I don't have the bottom to this, and I have these that are extra. I really don't want to get rid of them, at least not these. I think I will get rid of this plastic lid. I have more of these square lids, but I don't have any more of those containers, so I don't need them. I have 2 small squares, and I have their lids, so I'm going to be putting those together. So let me show you as I put these back into the counter. So as I'm putting these in, I really want to take a look at what do I use the most. Those need to be more up front as opposed to things I don't really use as much towards the back. Let's keep going. Since I have these, I don't want to just leave them hanging around, so I'm going to put them on top because that way, maybe I'll find the bottom somewhere. I hope that you found this extremely helpful as I went through my cupboards and I decluttered my Tupperware. So if you want to see more decluttering videos, then go ahead and click on the video on the left. That will be where I go through my kitchen drawers. If that isn't out yet, then go ahead and click on my face on the left, click the bell notification icon, and that way you'll be notified when that video comes out. So until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.